to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make rasam. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 cups of water, salt to taste, 2 dry chilies, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 4 whole garlic cloves with skin on, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorn, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 small onion which I have thinly sliced, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. You will also need a mortar and pestle for grinding the spices, or you can use a grinder. Crush garlic, cumin seeds, and whole peppercorn together using a mortar and pestle and put it aside. Take a big dish, add tamarind and water and squeeze the tamarind and water together to remove as much pulp as possible. Strain the tamarind water using a strainer into a jug and pour it back into the dish. Add crushed garlic, pepper and cumin paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and taste your salt and also the sourness of the tamarind water. Add extra 1 to 2 cups of water if it is too sour. I'm happy with the sourness, but it needs a little bit more salt. I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add salt according to your taste. Mix it again and put it aside. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it until the onions are translucent. Add curry leaves, chilies, and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and give it a mix. Add tamarind water and bring it to a boil. You will also need 1 tablespoon of water. When it starts to boil, sprinkle some cold water on the top and turn the heat off. My easy tamarind rasam is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends on its own or with some rice and any curry of your choice. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.